In today's Tiny Tidy, let's take this cabinet from drab to fab. Hello friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I find myself getting overwhelmed when I try to do too much at one time, so I am doing one cabinet in my kitchen each and every Tuesday, and I'm showing that just a little bit can make a big impact over time. In full transparency, the cabinet that I'm doing today, it's a little drab, but it's not terrible. There are just a couple of things out of place, probably not much to declutter at all, but that's okay because I'm getting ready to leave for a little trip, so I wanted it to be simple. The main thing that I'm going to do in this cabinet is we put like some liner in the cabinet, and every time you go to get something, the liner pulls and it just tries to pull everything in the shelf, so I'm definitely taking all of that and replacing it. So that's kind of my main reason for doing this, and I think I've said in a previous video that I put the kitchen back together very quickly after we recently did our renovations, so this needs to be done. I want to take just a minute to thank Sunday Dawn for putting this playlist together. As always, Tiny Tidy is an open playlist hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. Be sure to check it out for more tiny tidying motivation.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, my hand, don't let go.
Okay, so now is the time when we go through everything, see if there's anything that has expired that I can throw away, or see if there's anything that I can declutter. So I'm just going to start. I know that I do not want to replace these. I'm sure you guys saw whenever I was trying to pull out, I think it was these measuring cups, the whole thing came out with me. So I'm going to throw all of these away. That takes care of that. This is seasonal, but I do use it a lot as a mixing bowl, so I am going to keep this. These Celsius powders, they need to be relocated to the pantry, so I am going to relocate these. This measuring cup I do use, this large one. I use these little glass bowls. I absolutely love these. I ordered these from Pampered Chef probably 15 years ago, and I use them weekly. So I will put those back in. I like this measuring cup. It's one that you can do like if you want to measure like mayonnaise or something, and if you want to measure a liquid, you can do it in there. So I'm going to hold on to this one. I have this measuring cup I'm going to hold on, and I have this nest of measuring cups that I want to hold on to as well. So all of this stuff is going back up. Now I'm going to look in this little bin where I have spices. I have some ranch seasoning. I'm going to hold on to that. Some pepper. Some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it is in date. And it is, so I'm going to hold on to that. I have this Amish country popcorn, sour cream, and onion seasoning that I bought last year. I want to make sure this is in date because I want to use this to make some homemade potato chips, and it's good. So I'm going to hold on to that. We have a salad topping, and it is still good. I have some crushed black pepper. I have some vanilla. Oh, this one says it goes out of date in May 9th, which is not that far away, and I cannot see that I'm going to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this vanilla as well, or throw it away. I guess it's not really decluttering it. I have some black pepper, more pepper. I have this thing of onion powder, but I already have a thing full of onion powder, so I'm going to donate this one. And then I have this thing of garlic powder, and I wanted to make sure that I do have an extra empty container, and I have some labels, so I'm going to decant this garlic powder into the one that matches all of my other spices. I did not even bring my other spices over here because they are all good to go. So now we're going to wash this up, decant the garlic powder, and put everything back.
I understand. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. Skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
So this is how it turned out. I have my measuring bowl up at the top. I have some things some smaller measuring cups, my little Pampered Chef glass cups on the next shelf. And then I have my large glass mixing bowl and my little mixing nest. And then on the bottom, I have all of my spices. And then I have my little spice overflow. And I do have my spices in alphabetical order. But fortunately, the things are gone, so I can actually pull this out and not pull everything else out with me.
every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain.
Just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's Tiny Tidy. I think the cabinet, although I only made a small change, I think that it looks so much better. It looks nice and neat and tidy and definitely fab. And I want to remind you to check out the Tiny Tidy playlist along with Sunday Dawn's channel. Again, linked in my description below. And I have to take just a moment for this necklace. This is like the second time in just a couple of weeks that I have hurt myself or damaged something cleaning. And I loved this necklace because it was long. You probably noticed I had it on at the beginning of the video. And when I was cleaning, this part of the necklace got hung and it just pulled it down from my neck and it just snapped the chain in half. So I'm like really sad because I had this. This was one of my first Stella and Dot pieces from when I was selling Stella and Dot. I think I can probably like put this on another chain, but it's still a sad moment. So I'm gonna have to add something else to something unexpected to the declutter pile. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.